Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the energy saving mode on your LG TV. First of all, hold down the gear button on your remote control to open all settings menu, or just navigate to the gear icon on your home screen and then select the gear icon once again in the quick settings menu. Then navigate down to the general section, and in general you're gonna have to navigate to the very bottom of this list until you find energy saving feature, and here you can select the energy saving tab, and if you want to disable it, just select off, and this way you will disable your energy saver on your TV. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.